Meaning of kludge.
kludge,
Kludge.
kludge,
Kludge. Kludge is a term that originated in the computer programming industry to refer to an inelegant, improvised solution to a programming problem. It typically refers to a haphazardly put-together system or workaround that gets the job done, but is not elegant, efficient, or maintainable. In a broader sense, it can also refer to any makeshift solution to a problem that is not well thought out or properly designed. The term kludge is often used in a derogatory sense, indicating that the solution is less than ideal and may be prone to errors or difficult to work with in the future.